When reselling your home, buyers will look at major things in your home, such as the HVAC system and the roof. However, what else can you as a seller do to boost profitability when selling your house? I can't see anything out of my eye because my contact is really dirty. Hello? Hello. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Broker Gayane, Associate Broker here in the colorful Colorado, and today we are discussing what you as the seller can do to make your house seem even more move-in ready and appeal to the largest pool of buyers. Number one, I'm going to start with something you probably guessed. It's going to be painting. Painting is going to be super crucial to making everything look clean and kind of like a blank canvas for your buyers to go in and picture their stuff all over the walls. And you're gonna wanna stick to like maybe lighter colors and very much neutral colors such as whites, soft beiges, and like soft grays. Painting can cost you anywhere between a couple $100s to maybe $1,000 or so, depending on the size of your house. Number two, I'm gonna say is consistent flooring. You really want a uniform look within the house, so try to stick to one or two different types of floors. Buyers will seriously take a look at this, and if they haven't noticed it, odds are their real estate agent will. Number three, drumroll please, I will say is brighten your kitchen. Okay, getting your kitchen cabinets professionally painted can really like give it this upgraded feel. And when I say get them professionally painted, I genuinely mean get them professionally painted. Not everything is a DIY project, okay? You can really screw this up and take the kitchen from looking like a $15,000 kitchen to a trap house kitchen. If you are not prepared to spend a couple $100 or $1,000 or so bucks on refinishing the kitchen cabinets, I would highly suggest just painting the kitchen walls white and just brightening up the room. Maybe changing the hardware on the kitchen cabinets could make a difference. If it doesn't make a difference, don't do it. Use your judgment. Number four is gonna be replacing old appliances and old countertops, okay? Anything dated, first and foremost, is going to look incredibly unappealing to the buyer. However, if you do have the budget for it, I would highly suggest maybe switching out that countertop for a, brighter one or like a more monochromatic one to just really change the vibe of the kitchen. Do not do it if your cabinets are outdated and it's gonna look bad. Don't do it. And last but certainly not least, I would highly suggest hiring a professional cleaner for either the whole house or at least the bathrooms. Now, I have been to so many houses in my life, and while some are literally my dream home, others are nasty, gross. A professional cleaner will probably run you about $80 to $150 an hour. However, I can guarantee you it will probably make a world of a difference. Oh my Jesus. And that is that, folks. My name is Broker Gayane, Associate Broker here in the colorful Colorado. I'll see you all next week. My name is Broker Gayane, Associate Broker here in the colorful Colorado, here to help you with any and all of your real estate needs anywhere in the U.S. Be sure to check out my Instagram at Broker Gayane for daily updates and just life. Till then, I'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.